Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be giving you the tutorial of my Ghost Rider gel nail art. I just went ahead and polished my nails in 2 coats of white gel polish. This is from the Elsa brand polish of gel polishes, the white in the Elsa brand. Here I am using my Sassi's number 3 brush along with some regular black gel nail polish to detail a polish to do the flames, the outline of the flames. Each design is cured for 30 seconds, just like a little flash cure, so that nothing wouldn't budge as I'm moving around my hand. I went ahead and I outlined the chain in pencil first, and here I'm just tracing over the outline in the black. My hair kept getting in the way because my hair, I had on the fan and I didn't realize that the fan was blowing my hair and making it go into the camera, and I didn't realize that until after when I was editing. So that is the stuff that keep going in the screen, that's just my hair. I went ahead and I outlined the skull in pencil already. I intend to do a video of easy skull drawing tutorial that will be coming up sometime later, closer to Halloween. Here, this is yellow, red, and orange. Right, the red is from my Elsa brand polish. Yellow is Sugar Pop polish, another brand of gel polish, and the orange is from the joytii gel polish set that I had bought and unboxed. I will put the link for the unboxing video if you want to see that. And here is the black from the Elsa brand gel polish, just using it to fill in the blank spaces on the nail. If you want, you could, you could polish the nail black and then do the flames. It's up to you. With the gel polish, I put down the yellow first, then the orange, then the red, and while it is still wet, I just kind of move the brush in between it to blend it a little bit so it would have that kind of fire look to it. Here I'm just filling in the nose and the eye area with gel detailer polish. Here, flash cure it for 30 seconds and then do the next nail the same way. For the shading of the skull, I mix the detailer black polish with some clear builder gel and just get it to the consistency so it will look like shading but not gray, and then just fill the face of the skull with it. So it's clear polish with a little black mixed into it to make the shading for the gel. And here now I put a little bit the same shading, the same mixture that I used to do the face, to do the darker shadows. I just put a little bit more black into the mixture of the clear and the black that I had from before, but I added a little bit more black to it, and that is how I did the shadows of the skull. I think I changed from the long liner, which is the 0, 0, 0, to the number 1 so that I could have a little better grip in what I was doing, because I find the long brush was kind of klutzy and clumsy to fill in. It was taking too long. The chain, I am filling it in with the same mixture that I used to fill in the skull. The same black and builder gel. And then I did some more flames using the same black detailing gel. After everything that you do, you need to cure your design, put it into the lamp, or else it will smudge. And you don't want smudging, you want your design to be as neat as possible. Again, I am just filling in the flames with the red, orange, yellow. You could put it in any order that you want to put it in. This is the good thing about this design. You don't need to follow any particular pattern. You just do what looks good to you. Be creative with it, and however it comes out. Once you like it, if you wearing it and you like it, that is the most important. After making sure that everything was covered with the polishes, I cured it, and then I used my top coat in joytii brand to just put a nice cover over it. We're going to matte it, but I find my matte polish, if I use it first, it usually smears my design. So I usually put the top coat over it first, then cure it, and then use the matte top coat, give it another coat, put it into the lamp, and it will matte the design entirely. And once the design matte, I just use a little bit of white, same brand in the black liner gel, and I just went around the edges of the flame so that it would stand out a little bit more. I just find it just put a nice edge on it for me. So after you finish putting the matte, you put it into the lamp, cure it, fully cure it, and then you put your white polish to highlight, and then you clean up around your nails. Well, I don't have a video footage of me cleaning up around my nails because my camera died. So I just, after I finished curing the white, I had taken this and then I just put this picture here. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.